welcome to the new subscribers. We see you know, we love you know. Continue to support us. For the persons who have always been here, big up on yourself. I'm going to take you guys throughout the school today. If you have never been on the St. Hilda'S compound, you'll get to see what St. Hilda'S compound looks like. And for all the persons who were here, class of 2010, want to big up on yourself. I'm going to start over here, right? So this big tree right here was planted by the Governor General when I was coming to school here. Don't look pan, you know, class of 2010. Don't look pan the tree. That tree was planted when we were coming here. This little track is where we would walk to PE class, and so feel kind of boost up right now. As you can see, the great auditorium, everything keeping yourself. Graduation. I stayed for, look here. I Stedford was my favorite event here. Comment down below what your favorite event was when you were coming to St. Hilda'S. But you see, I Stedford, oh my god, me just love I Stedford. The dance was it for me. It was the dance for me. It was the dance for me. Alright, so as you can see, on the building we have Reservarium Guardium. It means hard work brings true joy. Kim is behind the camera.
Yeah.
As usual. We usually have classes out here when the trailer, because I was in that trailer for grade 8. Here was where we used to have class sometime when India get real hot, nice summertime. This is where the teachers would stay if they board here. If you did not know, St. Hilda'S is a boarding school. It's a traditional boarding school. So they have boarders here. So I was a day schooler. So me travel every day from up in the hills, come all the way down here. Things that me never see over here when I used to come to school here, and I also worked here a few years after I left. So some things that me never see before. Here we used to change for PE. We usually come in at a little place. I don't remember. We usually go in here so and change to PE class them and thing. And we have we little around with white shoes, we white Hilda'S blouse with the logo on it, and with PE. Oh my gosh. So the trailer used to be my class. So you know we hang out down here so on here so a lot. Yeah. Gotta wipe a time dog have puppy and eat this so. Seven hide, I know that for a fact. Can't forget grade 7. Jesus. My classroom was to the end down there. So one classroom here, one classroom down there, and one bathroom here, and one bathroom down there.
Alright guys, so just to let you know, this is my first time being this far, and when boys normally come over here, we're only allowed to be at the auditorium or the gate. Or you know, and that is event time. But now I can finally tour St. Hilda'S.
If you don't know, we usually sit on this one like all the time. The gazebo area right here.
And
so,
I do?
Lazy bench. We are good on a lazy bench. Down here so we call lazy bench. So many fond memories. So up here usually be grade 9. My grade 9 class was this building over here. This is 6th form, and this was never here when we used to come here, class of 2010, and it was in the building stage when I was working here. 9 Griffiths. Also, yes, 9 Griffiths. So this is the 6th form block. St. Hilda'S now has a 6th form. 6th form never used to there. We used to come here, but now it is. So you see, you have additional classes going all the way upstairs there, as well as all the way up here. When we were coming here, the building stopped. The building stopped right there. So now it gone all the way up there. So now giving extra room for classes. Down here, so used to be drama class when Miss Mangard was here.
Please clean up the rock.
Miss Mangard, yeah. A lot of stuff is down here, so I have a lot of girls talk. Them places studying take place. coming to St. Hilda'S, whenever we're going anywhere on the compound, we usually have in a straight line. So you come from your class to go to the canteen. And what's here, Miss Andrea was here when I was working here, guys. I hope she's still here. She wanna see her now because school out. But I'm going to ask if she still works here. Everybody know Miss Andrea. Every single place. If you know Miss Andrea. This big tank is a think tank. This tank has been here a very, very, very long time. So good.
Greatness lies within you. Stay focused. Think big, dream big.
Bloom where you're planted.
Be positive.
Strive for excellence.
Strive for excellence. Almost that every motto for every school.
Here we have the fish tank. This is where the agricultural students would go.
So
They have a chicken coop.
So this is your guys.
Greenhouse.
So this is your guys' little farm.
Yes. Like farming. So the agri students would know what your son look like when they usually have to kill chicken or all kind of something. So fish tank.
Oh, clean door.
And this is St. Hilda'S bus. I have driven it two times, and that was when I was working here. This right here is the chemistry lab. This is where I would spend grade 11 and doing a bio lab. This is the canteen, the cafeteria. So I guess I 6 feet apart from them. Yeah?
Oh.
Usually line up here, so we have to wait. And then when I say like grade 7, and then we call, we walk going. And walk like 5 hours we would walk going at a time because it is the way how they used to maintain order. Usually can catch 9 morning before no go registration, and then come use a ticket to collect lunch. It looked like where the 6 farmers would come to study and eat and stuff. I think I saw it on Facebook. This is where the 6 farmers would come and chill,
I like this. I think every school should have something like this.
This is where the ancillary staff would come and they would change and all of that. So we have an area for the ancillary people, but down here so is the laundry room. The laundry room are where if you mess up your clothes, we as girls, things happen. We flow might come too hard and it might spill over. So thank God for school like this. Where you can take a little time.
So you ever had any experience like that?
Yes.
You want to tell us or you don't want to tell us? Alright.
You sit down, you flow over, and then you realize because when me always get up, me always tend to feel around here. So once you feel one little, you just grab your backpack, put it on by your shoulder, and you go in the laundry room. You can wash out your clothes. So if you don't know if you iron, you'd learn how to iron by coming here to rinse out your clothes, or one nice day, Miss Janet or one of them will help you. So this look like sports day. Something more to do with sports day. I don't know.
And they want us there?
Yes, so like they don't care if it's sport. Sports day did nice over here. We usually call everybody who work in a gift shop Miss Cutie. So I'm gonna see if she answers to Miss Cutie. Alright, so in here I have one room. Shirts. Oh my god. Alright. Shirts, keyring, hats, flash drive, watches, the gift shop always have everything. What am I done here? So socks, cardigans. No, the cardigans them nice. And what else? And the pin them. Pin. Yeah, and you have hats. Yeah, man. Material. Eh? And then the regular. things there, man. So it's a stationery shop with all kind of essentials that we may need. Stationery and everything. Move ahead when we catch the people them. See me a bag, we just buy mask, 350. Same there. And then you have all other stationery stuff, books and stuff.
Just a few because it's holiday.
Yeah, holiday, so you know you're not gonna stop working.
How things?
So up here now, this is the dining room area. This is where you have to carry your tray. Up the stairs then. Ladylike.
What is this building about? Is that dorms?
Huh?
Dorm?
Dorms are up at the top. Here you have the chapel. We're going to go around to see the entrance of the chapel, but right here there's the dining room. The dining room is here.
Okay.
You come up here and you chill out and you look out. We used to sit on the steps there and take in the view. This tree be here every year when I exam, like blossom. Over there, computer lab. Here we used to have Canon all we have the meeting in the library, or they would come out here so come have devotion when around them class. I don't actually have house devotion. On Wednesdays, I don't even remember. But we usually keep it in our library. That's the big library over there. This is the quad. Everybody know the quad. Now here's the lobby. Send it to the lobby. When you send it to the lobby, this is where you go in this dark dungeon area. And this is the stairs up to the boarding quarters.
So what happened in the lobby?
It's not wait. So people come here, they can sit and wait. So if they come to the principal, they can sit out here and wait till the secretary call them.
Okay.
But if I get in a trouble, then send them through. And the staff room, this room, kind of looks scary, not true? Okay. So the boarders will know here, because I don't necessarily want to go watch nobody. But I'm not going to be in a man in 10. And this is another area. So, staff room. Staff room. Yeah, this is the staff room area. What here? So, staff room. You know, you have the girls' bathroom. And the boarders will go up here to go to their dorm rooms. No, this was not here. And it is so nice. This was not here. This was not here. This is a nice bathroom. This was my grade 7 class. This is my grade 10 class. If you guys remember all of these things, if you have a fun memory while coming here to St. Hilda'S, let me know. Grade 10 and 11 classrooms. So my grade 11 classrooms here. And that's it. That's the grade 11 block. Whatever is prepared for the boarders, they normally prepare it up here. You know, the shoes pop out and all of them something there. This is where we come. So this is the workshop area. And the shoes start to lift up. They come here, so I get Mr. T. Mr. T, man. Oh gosh, Mr. T, we fix up the shoes here. Remember Mr. T comment. Oh my god, guys, look at this cute little birdhouse. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I'm so excited that we get to come up here and give a little tour of this school. It has changed a little bit over the years, not much, everything practically remains the same. It's just that there are additions to the entire building, different staff and so on. So because school is out corona time, you're not going to see the teachers or anything, so drop some teachers' names down below who you remember, who you liked. And all the Hilda'S girls out there, I did this one for you. If you haven't been here in a long time, this one is for you girls, my sisters. And for the persons who have never been over here yet, I don't always wonder, I walk one up at Hilda'S, how Hilda'S look. Well, I just showed you in essence what it looks like, and yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed. It's the best school on the hill, as they would call it. So yeah, comment down below as well if you remember the school song. I don't know, some of you know that every morning at devotions. Please comment down below if you remember the school song. I remember it, not even remember all I still, but I do remember it. So alright guys, just always remember, it is still corona time. Corona still exists, so continue to wear your mask. I've just bought this mask, as you saw when I went into the gift shop over by St. Hilda'S. I'm still over here, but I do have my mask that I travel with on the road. So ensure that you guys continue to stay safe out there. Wear your mask, sanitize your hands, wash your hands when you get the time, and try as best as possible to social distance yourselves, and yeah, keep safe from the corona. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.